Welcome to this lecture on the importance of soft skills in a data scientist position. As we delve into this topic, we'll explore why these non-technical attributes are crucial in the corporate world, and also what type of questions you should be expecting to hear from interviewers, especially from the human resources or HR representative. Firstly, let's talk about corporate culture. In any organization, the culture embodies its values, beliefs, and behaviors. As a data scientist, you're not just a number cruncher. You're a vital part of this culture. Understanding and adapting to your company's culture is key, and it involves how you communicate findings, collaborate with teams, and contribute to the overall mission of the organization. Now let's discuss cultural fitness. It's about how well your values and working style align with the company. During interviews, employers aren't just assessing your technical expertise, they're also gauging if you're a good fit. This is where soft skills like adaptability, communication, and teamwork play a significant role. Showing that you can seamlessly integrate into their culture can often be as crucial as your technical abilities. This is something that not only the HR will examine, but also a potential colleague that is part of the existing data science team might want to see. For instance, I've personally rejected junior candidates in the past because even though they were technically competent, they lacked the social skills necessary. To put it simply, I could just tell that they would not be fun to work with them. And this is where being a good cultural fit comes into play. To that end, maintaining a positive vibe throughout the interview is another vital aspect. It's essential to demonstrate enthusiasm and a can-do attitude, a very highly sought after attribute in today's competitive environment. Positivity is contagious and can set the tone for your interactions. Remember, data science is a collaborative field, and a positive attitude can often be the deciding factor in a tight hiring decision. A typical set of questions related to this are: how do you cope with tight time schedules? Or how do you behave under pressure? Or maybe what do you do when you are faced with something you had zero experience with, a new concept? So the general answer to this type of questions is that no matter what, you remain calm and collected, utilize resources online or scientific papers, and finally consult with your teammates and your manager and ask for help, only after you have done a preliminary search by yourself. Remember this famous quote from Steve Jobs from this clip.
The greatest people are self-managing. They don't need to be managed. If once they know what to do, they'll go figure out how to do it. And they don't need to be managed at all.
This really encompasses what I'm trying to relay here. If you have this can-do attitude and self-management mindset, you will thrive and be irreplaceable as an employee. This is what recruiters want to see in you. Moving on to another topic, dress code is an interesting facet of soft skills. The way you dress for an interview should reflect the company's style. A tech startup might prefer a more casual look, while a corporate firm might expect formal attire. Dressing appropriately shows that you respect the company's culture and are keen to be a part of it. It also shows that you understand the expectations when it comes to attire, and you do not overdress or underdress for the interview. A safe bet can always be the business casual look, which is kind of in the middle, not too formal and not too casual. The same goes for online interviews, by the way. Nobody wants to see you in your hoodie or in your pajamas. Soft skills also encompass your ability to explain complex data science concepts to non-technical stakeholders, especially in the case of big companies with many tiers of management and many diverse departments. The art of simplifying and articulating these concepts is as important as deriving them. It's about making your work accessible and understandable, building trust, and fostering collaboration. Furthermore, empathy plays a critical role. Understanding the needs and challenges of your colleagues and customers helps in creating more effective and relevant data solutions. It's about being user-centric and solution-focused. Questions like how would you address an audience that has no technical background and does not understand what you're saying right away? Again, here you should show that patience is the key in such situations and show the ability to explain and articulate complex concepts in a simple fashion. Leadership skills, though often overlooked in technical roles, also play a significant role in a data scientist's career growth. As you progress, you'll be expected to lead projects or even teams. Leadership in data science is unique. It's not just about guiding teams. It's also about leading through expertise and knowledge. You'll need to inspire confidence in your team, mentor junior colleagues in the future, and drive projects to successful completion. I was asked years ago when I applied to an internship position to describe what a leader looks like, in my opinion. In that case, you can say that in this day and age, a leader is the exact opposite of the old age boss. These days, management leads by aspiring rather than by intimidating. Leaders are mentors, not imposing figures. This mentality is what separates a good leader from a bad leader. Lastly, continuous learning and adaptability are crucial. The tech world is ever evolving, and so are its challenges. Being open to learning and adapting to new tools, techniques, and perspectives keeps you relevant and valuable. The typical question here is, tell me about the last book or article or paper that you read and really liked. This question is used to see if the candidate is up to speed with current developments in the field and if they are someone that invests actively in lifelong learning. So, to summarize, in this lecture on the importance of soft skills in a data science position, we delved into how these non-technical attributes play a crucial role in the corporate world and in interviews, particularly with the HR representatives. We explored the significance of aligning with corporate culture and company mission. This involves effective communication, collaboration, and the ability to adapt to the company's values and behaviors. A vital aspect of soft skills is maintaining a positive vibe throughout the interview process. Demonstrating enthusiasm and a can-do attitude is highly sought after in the competitive environment of data science. This positivity not only influences the tone of your interactions, but can also be a decisive factor in hiring decisions. We also discussed the importance of dressing appropriately for interviews, reflecting the company style. Whether it's a tech startup preferring a casual look or a corporate firm expecting formal attire, dressing right shows respect and proper interpretation of the company's culture. In conclusion, while technical skills may open the door to opportunities, it's the soft skills that truly allow you to integrate, collaborate, and evolve within an organization. Remember, in the world of data science, soft skills are indispensable, both for getting the job and thriving on it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next lecture.